Most healthy eating habits fit for everyone, both men and women. And while it's important for everyone to set healthier eating habits for themselves so they can feel their best, it's also important to look at eating habits for men and women separately. Their nutritional needs based on their different hormones and body types are important to take note of, which is why we established a few healthy eating habits for women to follow. 1. Focus on portion control. 2. Fit in fiber in every meal. Fiber is an often overlooked but vital nutrient for gut health, weight management, lowering cholesterol, and regulating blood sugar levels. Consuming more fiber-rich foods helps you feel fuller after eating, so you generally eat less throughout the day. In addition, as fiber swells in the stomach, it absorbs and removes fat and calories and boosts metabolism. 3. Prioritize sources of iron during menstruation. 4. Listen to your body and your satiety cues. One of the best eating habits for women is to listen to their bodies. For too long we're taught to rely on external tools like meal plans, time of day, calories, and point systems. This can create distrust and disconnect from our bodies. 5. Emphasize eating a variety of foods. Within each of the food groups, women should consume a variety, says Jean Banner, PhD, Rhode. This means not always eating blueberries as your serving of fruit, but sometimes choosing cantaloupe, watermelon, or dragon fruit.